Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 27th of April 2021 and Tuesday. As always, I would like to share with you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let's see how I did today. Just quickly recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis to my professional traders, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so today we had a mixed reaction. We haven't seen any volatility in Euro USD. We had it only very small short trade this morning. This was the breakout, but afterwards we are still waiting to break out of this consolidation. As you can see, the price hasn't broken this analysis. So if you look at today, we have only one small short trade this morning, London Open, very small short trade, and we came out at the break even. So technically we haven't had any good trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, let's see what's happening here. Pound dollar, we had it this morning, short trade here, bank few pips. Afterwards, at the New York session, we had a long trade here and we banked profit as soon as the price hit this level. So technically, we had a two in analysis. If you look at here, pound dollar, we had it this morning. As you can see, just before London Open, I did this analysis. And based on that analysis, we had this breakout. And after the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback, and as soon as the price hit this support level, and you can see here we had this support level in 4 hour, and that area we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let's see if the price gonna break. We're probably gonna have another beautiful trade, but afterwards you can see as soon as the price nicely respected and reversed. So when the price reversed, as I said to you guys, my trader, that look for another pullback. Instead of jumping into the trade, you can see here based on the analysis, we had a price nicely respected, after this breakout and a pullback, which is 200 EMA. The most important thing is we had a bullish engulfing candle in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely respected 200 EMA, and look at the momentum, bullish, and as soon as the price hit this resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a both two short and one long trade based on the intraday analysis and based on the 4 hour on pound dollar. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. We haven't had any trade in dollar CAD today. You can see here price was consolidating. We had this analysis in the morning, still price hasn't broken. I also updated this analysis at the New York session. You can see here price hasn't updated. So even if you look at the 4 hour, you can see here price basically developing a consolidation. So we haven't had any trade in dollar CAD, but we had an amazing trade, especially on yen pair. So euro yen, let me share with you the euro yen. We had a beautiful trade, as you can see here, based on the, let me share with you the more intraday analysis. Just to let you know, guys, whenever the price break the major structure, then look for the pullbacks. As you can see here, this red line was the daily resistance line. As soon as the price broken, we had a very strong bullish candle. Even we have seen previous candles rejection, but as I said to my trader, as long as the candle is bullish, the bull is in control. So afterwards, we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. So if you look at, this was the analysis at the London morning session. Look for this breakout based on the momentum. We were always interested pullback, which price nicely develop a pullback. Long trade here. This is breakout trade pattern. The major trade we had it at the New York session. You can see here another beautiful up channel breakout when the price broke on the previous high. As you can see here, after the breakout, even price retest, and as soon as the price hit this level, let me explain to you guys, we had a very interesting intraday system which helped us to take. You can see here in intraday system, as soon as the price hit this red fib channel, which is technically is in 4 hour, you can see here that's the major resistance level, and that time we announced our traders to bank some profit on euro yen. So we had a beautiful trade in dollar yen too. You can see here, beautiful trade. As you can see again, the price broke on the major structure. You can see here, this was the consolidation, and based on that, beautiful long trade. And you can see here, price nicely hit to the first target. If I show you the intraday analysis, you can see here this analysis at the London morning session, just before London open pullback. You can see here, price nicely develop a pullback at in 4 hour. Also, you can see here, beautiful pullback. After the pullback, we have another pullback. And at the New York session, when the price developed this sideways market, you can see here, and we announced another analysis to look for another breakout based on the momentum. Based on the 4 hour, we had another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit. Even in 4 hour, you can see here the price reached to the resistance level around very close to the 100 EMA. So we had a beautiful trade, especially on all the yen pair. Beautiful. If you look at dollar yen main structure broken, even euro yen, even pound yen, if you look at here 4 hour, we had this channel breakout and beautiful breakout. And if I show you here, you can see here, beautiful breakout, channel breakout in 4 hour. And if you look at this candle, bullish engulfing candle, beautiful long trade. And if you look at the intraday, we were taking all this, we had this bull flag pattern, and afterwards we were just keep taking a pullback. And let me share with you the analysis based on the 4 hour price action. We had a beautiful, you can see here, this is the analysis at the London open, sideways market breakout long trade. And then afterwards at the New York session, as I mentioned, we explained to my trader, we had a bull flag pattern through analysis. You can see here, based on the momentum, based on the 4 hour, we had beautiful breakout. And afterwards, as soon as I said to my traders, if the major structure is broken, just keep taking a pullback. We have 1, 2, 3 pullbacks after the breakout on pound yen. So we had a beautiful trade. So all these analyses and all the updates is provided in real time through live audio commentary, just to make sure the trader can take maximum benefit. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy all these analyses. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to provide Forex coaching and training through live intraday analysis in real time, to develop the trading skills in real time, so they can develop trading skill effectively. And it's good for us to find a good traders, and then we can invest those traders. If you are interested how we trade and how we invest in our trader, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and the link is given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, so most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.